Oh, my goodness, at soy.yo631, how dare you use the free sound baby crying sound effect of your TikTok videos like this?
You should know the free sound baby crying sound effect is bad for people's health and makes little kids, toddlers and babies and young adults and adults cry.
You should use BB pin crying sound effect, but no, you didn't listen and you felt lazy using a free sound baby crying sound effect.
So at soy.yo631 if you use the sound one more time, I will send you to infected Jenny's jump scare punishment, and you'll be scared forever. So that's what you get for using a free sound baby crying sound effect of your TikTok videos like this.
Man, I hope that FSBCSFX will be gone in the free zone.
End of Tell Out.